Hello everyone, I Sakshi and welcome you once again in Holy Cross Texas School, Bagru, Sonipat. I'm well aware of the fact that many of you are interested to join showbiz in one way or other. An equal number of you must be wondering how can I enter in the field of entertainment and mass media. So guys, if you too are also the one from many who are looking to enter in the world of entertainment as an actor, director, writer, editor or any other related professional, then this video is just for you people. Here I am going to tell you about one such entrance exam that can help you to get admission in various courses in renowned Film and Television Institute of India, Pune and Satyajit Ray Film and Television Institute, Kolkata. The entrance exam I am talking about is Film and Television Institute of India Joint Entrance Test. Here I'll try my best to let you know virtually all the aspects of this coveted exam, that is FTII JET exam. What is the selection process, what are the courses that you can join after taking FTII JET exam, what is the eligibility conditions, what is the syllabus and pattern, how can you apply for FTII JET exam, what is the registration fee. If you are interested to get answer of all these questions, then keep watching this video till the end. Let's start with a little briefing of FTII JET exam. Film and Television Institute of India Joint Entrance Test, acronym as FTII JET exam, is conducted on national level by Film and Television Institute of India, Pune or SRFTI, Kolkata, to provide admission to various candidates desirous of seeking admission to Satyajit Ray Film and Television Institute, Kolkata, Film and Television Institute of India, Pune, leading educational institutions in the art and of filmmaking and television production of the multi-stage selection process. The first stage is an all India level written examination called as Joint Entrance Test. It is a written test of 3 hours duration consisting of objective type and subjective questions and will be conducted in 27 cities. Based on the JET 2022 score of the candidates, SRFTI and FTII will shortlist the candidates for the second stage. Thereafter, on successful accomplishment of all the requisites, finally admit students for the academic year. Next slide is FTII JET exam courses. The courses are divided into 3 groups. Group A, Producing for Film and Television, 3 years, a PG diploma provided by SRFTI. Animation Cinema, a 3-year PG diploma by SRFTI. Art Direction and Production Design, a 3-year PG diploma by FTII. Screen Acting, a 2-year PG diploma by FTII. Screenwriting, Film, TV and Web Series, a 2-year PG diploma by FTII. Electronic and Digital Media Management, a 2-year PG diploma by SRFTI, whereas Group B consists of Direction and Screenplay Writing, 3-year PG diploma by SRFTI and FTII, Cinematography, a 3-year PG diploma both by SRFTI and FTII, Editing, a 3-year PG diploma by SRFTI and FTII, Sound Recording and Design, a 3-year PG diploma by SRFTI and FTII. Group C consists of Direction and Production for EDM, a 2-year PG diploma by SRFTI, Direction, a 1-year PG certificate by FTII, Cinematography for EDM, a 2-year PG diploma by SRFTI, Electronic Cinematography, a 1-year PG certificate by FTII, Editing for EDM, a 2-year PG diploma by SRFTI. Video Editing, a 1-year PG certificate by FTII. Sound for EDM, a 2-year PG diploma by SRFTI. Sound Recording and Television Engineering, a 1-year PG certificate by FTII. Writing for EDM, a 2-year PG diploma by SRFTI. Now you would be eager to know about the eligibility conditions. So the eligibility conditions to take FTI JET exam is the minimum educational qualification required to be eligible for application for all the courses except art, designing and production department is the eligibility conditions bachelor's degree or equivalent in any disciplinary. For art, production and design courses are candidate must have a bachelor's degree in applied arts, architecture, painting, sculpture, interior design or related fields in the fine arts or equivalent. Here I would like to mention the one thing that candidates who are appearing for their final year of the graduation and awaiting result, they can also apply for FTI JET exam. However, such candidate if selected, then they should have to submit a passing year certificate from the controller of the examination, registrar, principal or any other equivalent competent authority. Only then they will be allowed to join the course. Next one is FTI JET exam syllabus. So here FTI JET exam syllabus for television wing is divided into 3 sections. Section A, general awareness, national and international art, folk art, culture, etc. Questions related to electronics media, TV and digital media will also be a part of Section A. Section B will consist of long descriptive questions. Section C contain questions from the specific domain. Next, the FIIT JEE exam syllabus for film wing. It is divided into 2 sections. Section A, general aptitude test, for which applicants will be asked about architecture, various art forms, general awareness, national and international and cinema related questions, etc. Section B will be descriptive. Applicants will be asked about a specific domain. Next, I would like to tell you about how can you apply for FTI JET exam. Candidates can apply for FTI JET exam online by visiting the official website, that is https://ftii.ac.in and following the instructions given there. Now the registration fee for FTI JET exam is rupees 2000 for general category candidates, rupees 600 for SC, ST, PWD candidates for 2 courses, 1 subject from each group A and B or B and C or C and A. It will be rupees 3000 and rupees 900 respectively. For 3 courses, 1 subject from each group A, B and C, it will be rupees 4000 and rupees 1200 respectively. Now the pattern of the JEE exam. FTI JET written test will be of 3 hours for 100 marks, in which paper 1 of 90 minutes will consist of 2 parts. Part A, multiple choice questions of 20 marks. Part B, multiple select answer type questions of 30 marks. Paper 2, 90 minutes will consist of descriptive answer type questions of 50 marks. Next, what are the test centers? There are 27 test centers for FTI JET exam. This exam conducted in 27 centers across the nation, and these are Agartala, Ahmedabad, Allahabad, Bengaluru, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Chandigarh, Chennai, Dehradun, Guwahati, Gangtok, Hyderabad, Imphal, Jaipur, Jammu, Kolkata, Lucknow, Mumbai, New Delhi, Patna, Port Blair, Pune, Raipur, Ranchi, Srinagar, Thiruvananthapuram, Leh. So guys, if you want to enter in this show business, then clearing this exam and getting admission into 2 best of the Film and Television Institute of India can be a right step towards achieving your goal. So So that's it from this video. I hope you find this video informative. For more such videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the notification. Thanks for watching.